guess what you've been looking at for the past minute. And before you ask, this and the Cairo mix are two genetics that I no longer have available.
Ah, fam, I was just gonna buy them.
No, you wouldn't. Shut up,
I was about to email you right now.
Yeah, well, keep waiting. All them genetics gonna be gone. Which reminds me, do want to give a big thanks to everyone that has been purchasing my genetics.
So what?
As this channel switches from sponsor-based to product-based, you guys along with the Patreons are what's keeping us afloat. As we move on to a little bit of my personal life before we take out the rest of the plants we will be examining. Went with my cousin who was just there on camera and Dan with the gun to an amateur boxing event held on Thursdays here in Anchorage, Alaska.
Hey, why he dressed like Guile from Street Fighter?
And we met this lady named Brittany.
Is she the one holding the sign? Cause I wanna meet her too.
No, that's a whole nother person. Brittany has what you would call, I guess, a season pass for these events.
Hell, fam getting clobbered.
Her business has a whole table right up front next to the ring. And she invited all of us, including Dan's son, to sit with her at the table to enjoy the front row festivities.
But that's nice.
Right, not only that, but she invited us to the next event as well. So I guess that's what we're gonna be doing every Thursday now. So we move on. You know, get out of the shop, bro.
I was here first.
Bro,
don't make me call them gangsters on you.
Here we got the permanent chimera number 21 from Belief, crossed with the Orangella. We've been running the PC21 since season 10 of this show, so we've had the opportunity to run it organically and synthetically. Currently, we have two different phenotypes going of this plant. The one being ran in cocoa, which is the one on screen, happens to have my favorite structure out of it. It has the frost of the mother, along with some thick, luscious stems to go with it. Also developing a nice citrus nose that we'll talk more about as the weeks go on. As we move on to some of my strains in your home. Got some flying Hawaiian cross with Orangella at Frost God's Page. Some harvest result footage from the Grandpa's Cookies from Eat Those cross with Orangella sent to us by Just Jason. That's what it says right there. That's what he told me to say.
Whoa!
Right? And he also is a patron, so double shout out to him. And more harvest results. This one from the Flying Hawaiian cross with Orangella from the Solo Grow. Go check him out there on Instagram. And our final showcase for today comes from Anthony. He's running the Black Lick cross with Orangella. And I would put everything that he is saying here, but he has some background music going and I don't want copyright strikes. But I do appreciate you, Anthony. Thank you so much. Still got a few minutes to go in this video. Still got some topics to touch on, like cloning and something else that happened at the fight with Dan with the gun.
Oh man, I'm excited.
But figure this is a good time for me to remind you if you've stuck around for the last 10 minutes. So that means you're probably enjoying what I'm doing, right? Probably see the amount of work that goes into this
channel. We still got one more video to do. And then I gotta go hop in the shower. And then, you know, I gotta get back to regular people stuff. I got some more videos to do. Of course, we got those to do. Yeah, you know, tune in Saturday and Sunday, 10 a.m. Come see what your boy got for you live. So we do it live, baby. Videos on Rumble, though.
Kitty detox superheroes of Nutriville. In the vibrant town of Nutriville, where health and happiness flourish, there lived 5 friends. Alex the apple, Carly the cranberry, Sam the spinach, Gina the ginger, and Toby the turmeric. They had a special mission, to keep the residents' kidneys healthy and happy. One sunny day, they gathered by the sparkling Nutri River, their favorite meeting spot. Alex the apple was the first to speak. Hey friends, we're like superheroes for the kidneys, helping people ride bikes, scooters, and enjoy the outdoors by keeping their bodies balanced and healthy. Carly the cranberry nodded. That's right. We're like little kidney superheroes. We help flush out toxins and keep those kidneys clean. Sam the spinach added, and we're packed with vitamins and minerals that give kidneys the strength they need to work their best. Gina the ginger chimed in. Plus, we have antioxidants that fight off harmful invaders and protect those hardworking kidneys. Toby the turmeric grinned, and let's not forget my special powder, curcumin. Curcumin helps reduce inflammation and supports the overall well-being of the kidneys. As they talked, the Nutriville residents started incorporating these superfoods into their meals. They made colorful salads, tasty smoothies, and hearty stews. With each bite, they knew they were giving their kidneys the love and care they deserved. And so,